My name is Amanda Weissman, and the clothing product that I'm going to be talking about today is the University of Florida Lululemon Swiftly Tech Short Sleeve Tee. This product is sold at the Wrights Union bookstore here at the University of Florida. I have chosen this product because I have always been a big fan of the company Lululemon. I have found that their products have always been popular and well-fitting, and the great quality makes each article of clothing last for a long time. When I realized that they sell UF Lululemon merch on campus, I knew I wanted to do my research on it. This product has two large constituents divided into a few smaller constituents. First, we can look specifically at the Swiftly Tech Short Sleeve Tee itself. This is a product from the company Lululemon. The materials of this t-shirt include 54% nylon, 40% polyester, 3% elastane, and 3% X-static nylon. Lululemon is known for using plant-based nylon and polyester as opposed to petroleum-based, as well as using recycled fabric from apparel waste. Elastane is a synthetic fabric, so it was not derived from nature. And X-static nylon is a fabric made of 99.9% pure silver. Lululemon outsources its manufacturing to many countries located mostly in Asia, North America, such as Japan, Indonesia, Taiwan, Haiti, China, and more. It also has 4 distributors in Vancouver, Summer, Melbourne, and Columbus. This assures us that all of the constituents of the Swiftly Tech t-shirt itself must be imported to North Florida. Now, let's focus on what makes this product specific to UF, the Gator label. This embellishment is screen printed. This means that the ink is pressed onto a piece of clothing through a screen. To imagine this process, think of a stencil drawing on the t-shirt with ink. The ink used for this screen printing is plastisol ink, made of PVC resin and plasticizer. The UF logo is made and copyrighted by the University of Florida itself. There are currently 11 certified printers for the university, all of which are in the United States, and most of which are in Florida. Some of the printing sites are even located in Gainesville. So, the final product only needs to travel a small distance to get to North Florida. When analyzing the functioning of the firm, we should look at Lululemon and the Wrights Union bookstore separately, as they both have a vital role in getting the product to the consumers, yet have different methods of achieving this. Let's start with Lululemon. Lululemon is a very large apparel company for activewear and loungewear for both women and men. It was founded by a man named Chip Wilson in Vancouver, Canada in 1998, and since then has grown to be a world-renowned luxury activewear brand. While the UF Swiftly Tech t-shirts make up a small percentage of Lululemon's total clothing sales, the Swiftly Tech t-shirts in general are a staple in the company's total revenue and overall brand. Expanding the sale of these t-shirts to college campuses gained the shirts more exposure, so in some ways, this product does impact the company. Now, let's look at the UF bookstore. The UF bookstore is the firm selling the final product. It is in the Wrights Union at the University of Florida. The University of Florida is a very large institution with many expenses and a large inflow of money through its students and alumni foundations. The UF bookstore itself does sell merchandise that may make the school some money, but it is a small fraction of the total revenue for the university. Therefore, the amount of UF Swiftly Tech tees produced and sold does not have a large impact on the University of Florida. Within the United States, the states regulate their own trade. There are very little trade regulations among states in the U.S. So, once the shirts arrive in the United States to be printed on, it does not require tariffs to transport them to North Florida after printing. The catch is that the Swiftly Tech tee is an imported good, as are all Lululemon products. This means that the product must be imported from a foreign country. As we discussed earlier, the manufacturing of Lululemon products mostly occurs in Asian countries. These countries all include tariffs placed on importation to the United States. Depending on the country and the amount of goods imported, these tariffs range from 2 to 30% over the course of the past few years. This standard policy can add up fast when large companies such as Lululemon are importing mass amounts from these foreign regions. Another aspect that we must consider, aside from trade, are the potential regulations of the materials in the product itself. However, Lululemon has taken great strides to decrease the negative environmental effect of its products. For instance, petroleum-based nylon and polyester have always been the most common forms, although they are known to be environmentally harmful and not biodegradable. By switching to plant-based materials, the company has taken an eco-friendlier approach and reduced the restrictions that might come with clothing production. In essence, the University of Florida Lululemon Swiftly Tech Tee being sold at the UF bookstore is much more complex than what meets the eye. To purchase this product, geographical, economic, and political barriers must be crossed. This is an eco-friendly product that I hope to be able to purchase and wear during my time here at UF. I have greatly enjoyed researching this product's constituents, selling firm, and policy implications. Thank you. And here are my references. Thank you.